Both legs ready. Start. Both the knees held tightly against the chest. Feet together. Toes pointed. Head on the ground. Do not forget normal breathing. Chin down. Seated with right knee bent, back straight, left leg straight. Ready? Start. Left leg ready. Start. Both legs ready. Start. Knees close to the chest. Back straight. Head up. Chin down. Seat on the ground. Normal breathing.
Removes gas from the abdomen and reduces abdominal fat. Increases the flexibility of the knees and hips.
Feet touching each other. Feet as close to the body as possible. Knees as close to the ground as possible. Back as straight as possible. Head up, chin down, normal breathing.
Specially recommended for those suffering from urinary disorders. The pelvis, the abdomen, and the back get stimulated through a plentiful supply of blood. Keeps the kidneys, the prostate, and the bladder healthy.
First, left leg below, right above. Ready? Start. Turn the body to the right. Seat on the ground. Turn your head also to see over the right shoulder. Get ready for the other side. Right leg below, left leg above. Turning the body to the left. Ready? Start. Turn your head to see over the left shoulder.
Increases the elasticity of the spine and massages the abdomen and internal organs.
Starting with left arm and left leg down, hands held behind, knee on knee, feet on both sides of the hips. Right elbow pointing upward, left elbow pointing downward, back straight, head up, chin down, normal breathing. Get ready for the other side. Right leg and right elbow down. Ready? Start. Left elbow pointing upward. Right elbow pointing down. Hands held behind. Back straight. Head up. Chin down.
Helps proper functioning of the gonad glands. It can be practiced to a great advantage just before retiring by those suffering from sleeplessness, in which case the timing may be increased to half an hour on each side.
On your knees, Get ready for Ustrasana. Half a minute. Ready? Start. Hold your ankles. Push your hands down. Lift your chest up. Head relaxed behind.
Makes the spine supple. Increases blood flow to the brain. Good for back problems.
Relax your elbows, knees together, heels open, seat on heels.
Removes fat in the abdomen and buttocks. Helps to improve digestion.
On your knees, get ready for Sasakasana, 1 minute. Top of the head on the ground. Forehead as close to the knees as possible. Hold your feet and raise your hips high until your arms are straight. Breathe normally.
Increases digestive power. Helps the functioning of the liver and spleen. Makes the spine flexible.
Get ready for Sirsasana or half Sirsasana. 2 minutes. Ready? Start. Feet together. Toes pointed. Knees straight. Body straight from head to toes. Normal breathing. I am giving here full 1 minute's rest in lying position, so that blood taken to head can distribute again equally all over the body.
Gives a rich supply of blood to the brain and a good nourishment. A powerful nervine tonic. It invigorates, energizes, and aids the digestive power, and also helps to purify the blood.
Japanese sit with straight back, hands on the knees. Ready? Start. Abdomen drawn in, shoulders back, back straight, head up, chin down, chest up, normal breathing.
Aids digestion and helps cure sciatica.